Hello friends, in today's video we are going to talk about the Milkyway airdrop and how you can farm it. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So for farming Milkyway airdrop, you will need to collect M points. Now how this M point works is basically if you are holding milkTIA using liquidity pools or lending, you will be milking points. Now there are certain tasks for earning M points over here. So basically the first option is you can hold your milkTIA tokens in order to receive M points. So as you can see, for each milkTIA you hold, you will acquire 1 M point on daily basis. So the longer you hold milkTIA, the more points you will accumulate. And the second option is engage into different DeFi applications. So you can basically use Livana protocol or maybe Mass protocol, Demex, Kasar. There are a lot of this which I will show you in some time. Now with regards to the airdrop itself, 10% of the total supply is planned as an airdrop for M points holder. Now if we talk about the frequently asked question, there is a question like when token. So the M point system will be in full swing throughout the early 2024 with an airdrop planned for Q2 2024. So the airdrop is coming in the later half of Q2 of 2024, and what you can do is stake your TIA tokens in order to receive milkTIA tokens. So the ratio is 1:1 minus the gas fees, and you can also go ahead and withdraw your milkTIA token anytime you want. But if you want to withdraw it for free, there is an unbonding period of anywhere between 21 to 24 days with a zero withdrawal fee. Now if you want to withdraw it instantly, then it's like 3.7% as per the current price. It keeps fluctuating. It can go like 4%, 5% depending on the price. Now they also have something called as a discover tab over here, where these are the different DeFi applications. So on Osmosis, basically you can go ahead and provide liquidity. Also on Osmosis, you can go ahead and swap your milkTIA token for other tokens. So if I click on it, here you need to select milkTIA. For some reason the wallet is loading a bit slow, but if you load milkTIA over here, you can swap it for any other tokens or coins over here. Now on Livana protocol, what you can do is basically you can deposit your milkTIA tokens in order to earn a 10.21% APR. Once again, this keeps changing every now and then depending on the pricing. Now if you want to earn lot of M points, then you can use the leverage and trade milkTIA token. Although do your own research, because futures trading is a bit risky. There is a chance of you getting the margin call. So only do it if you know what you are doing. So you can basically take 10x leverage, up to 10x leverage on this, and start trading your milkTIA tokens. So this will give you the highest number of M points. And lastly, what you can do is basically you can go to Kasar and you can deposit your milkTIA TIA in this vault over here, which is giving a net APR of 9%. So the current deposit cap is like 2 million and the total deposited amount is close to $1.4 million. Now I think this should be a decent airdrop considering it's on the Cosmos ecosystem, and I'm not sure, I haven't checked how much is the total locked value on Milkyway, but I will check it. I think so more than 500 million if I'm correct, but I will later on go to DeFi Llama and check it. So this is all you can do in order to get this M points and keep collecting M points on a daily basis, and hopefully this airdrop should be a very good airdrop. So this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.